everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, Trump's 2024 crypto promise. Are you ready to potentially make millions or lose everything? Let's find out. Please subscribe and hit the like button before we continue. So, what exactly is Trump's 2024 crypto promise all about? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, especially those who are keen on the intersection of politics and finance. Trump's bold statements have always had a way of stirring the pot, and this time, he's set his sights on the world of cryptocurrency. Well, it's creating quite the buzz in the investment world. Investors, analysts, and everyday people are all talking about it. The promise of integrating cryptocurrency into the mainstream financial system is both exciting and daunting. It's a topic that's sparking debates in boardrooms and living rooms alike. Some see it as a golden opportunity, while others warn of the risks involved. The potential for massive gains is undeniable, but so is the volatility that comes with the crypto market. It's a double-edged sword that requires careful consideration and a strong stomach for risk. Investing in crypto based on political promises can be a risky game. Political landscapes can shift rapidly, and what seems like a sure bet today could turn into a precarious gamble tomorrow. It's essential to stay informed and not get swept up in the hype without doing your due diligence. On one hand, there's the potential for huge rewards if the promise comes to fruition. Imagine being an early investor in a new wave of financial innovation, reaping the benefits as the market soars. The allure of significant returns is hard to resist, but on the other hand, there's the very real possibility of losing everything if things don't go as planned. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and political promises can be fickle. It's a high-stakes game where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. So, while the potential rewards are tempting, it's crucial to weigh them against the risks and make informed decisions. Now, let's delve deeper into how Trump's endorsement or involvement in a cryptocurrency can significantly impact its value and credibility. His influence in the financial world is undeniable, and his words carry a weight that can shift market dynamics almost instantaneously. When Trump speaks, markets listen. His words have the power to sway markets and influence investor sentiment for better or for worse. This influence is not just limited to traditional markets, but extends to the volatile world of cryptocurrencies as well. Imagine a scenario where Trump makes a bold prediction about a specific cryptocurrency. His endorsement could be seen as a stamp of approval, leading many to believe in the potential of that digital asset. This could lead to a surge in its value as investors react to his words. The market could experience a rapid influx of new investors, all eager to capitalize on the perceived opportunity. The excitement and optimism could drive the cryptocurrency's value to new heights. But what if the prediction falls flat? The initial surge could be followed by a sharp decline, especially if the cryptocurrency fails to meet the high expectations set by Trump's endorsement. The consequences could be dire for those who jumped in without doing their due diligence. Investors might find themselves facing significant losses, and the market could experience increased volatility. It's a stark reminder of the importance of thorough research and cautious investment strategies in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, investing in Trump's 2024 crypto promise comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial to weigh the potential outcomes carefully and not get swept up in the hype. Remember, a well-informed decision is always the best decision. When considering any investment, especially one as volatile as cryptocurrency, it's important to educate yourself thoroughly. Seek out multiple sources of information and stay updated with the latest news. Diversification is another key strategy to mitigate risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across different asset classes. This can help cushion against potential losses in any one area. Risk management is crucial in any investment strategy. Utilize tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments, and always have an exit strategy in place. Knowing when to sell is just as important as knowing when to buy. Stay vigilant and be prepared to act when necessary. In the end, the decision to invest in Trump's 2024 crypto promise is a personal one. Make sure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And remember, a well-informed decision is always the best decision. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed today. We've delved into Trump's 2024 crypto promise and its potential impact on the market. This topic is incredibly important as it could shape the future of cryptocurrency and how it is perceived by both investors and the general public. Don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Your insights are valuable and contribute to a richer discussion. We want to hear from you, whether you agree or disagree with the points made. Your perspective can help others understand the complexities of this issue. And if you want to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency trends, news, and analysis, this is the place to be. We cover a wide range of topics, from market predictions to in-depth analyses of new and emerging cryptocurrencies. Our goal is to provide you with the most comprehensive and up-to-date information so you can make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, our content is designed to help you navigate the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We bring you the most relevant and timely information to help you make informed investment decisions. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about breaking news, market shifts, and expert opinions. We also offer exclusive content for our subscribers, including interviews with industry leaders and special reports. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is fast-paced and ever-evolving, and staying informed is key to success. So join our community and let's navigate this exciting journey together.